Hey, Scott Hylton, Scott Talks. Let's unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. Got it for my iPad Mini 7. Just a little guy, got a little case with a MagSafe on the back. iPad Mini, clear case, got it on Amazon. Let's see what we've got here. Sides are, there's that. It shows you what it's for. We can get it in focus. iPad Pro with an M4 chip, iPad Air M3, iPad Air M2, iPad Mini A17 Pro. Yay, A17, that's what's in the MacBook Neo. So I've got a little MacBook Neo here. So we go to the back, and it says to pull on this. Yay! And then this. Ooh, it's going to slide out. Cool, cool, cool. Nice and hollow inside. No back still there. Cool. Good job, Apple. Designed by Apple in California. And this comes off. All your basic instructions. Oh, look. Wow. Pencil Pro. Oh, a couple of basic things you can do. Let's see, is there another section here? Magnetically attach iPad to pair, charge, and store. Replace the tip. You just screw it off, screw it on, get a new tip. If it wears down, cool. Cool. And you know how dangerous this is with a guy in directions. You know, we're just going to throw it away and say, hey, got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Let me put that over there. Nice. Here's the pencil. It's got a little cover over it. Oh, nice. There's my initials. Ordered it through Apple. Got my initials on it. Cool, cool. And that's going to be it. See if we can, that's it. It's our unboxing. We've got our iPad Mini, the seat charge, on and off, volume up and down, the magnets on the side. There's a flat edge here. I imagine, there it goes. It lit up. There it is. What's new with Apple Pencil? Your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPad OS. All right, experience letting you annotate, draw, mark up, and edit in the apps you use every day. Scribble, you can write in any text field, and your words automatically transform into typed text. And that's a setting you have to change. Squeeze, lightly squeeze the Apple Pencil Pro to access the tools you need. Just squeeze it right down here. I've heard you can adjust the intensity, so just in case you're touching it all the time and it's always activated, you can change the intensity so you can squeeze a little harder. So it won't, just touching it, it won't activate it. Switch tools with a gesture, just a double tap your Apple Pencil, like right here, and easily switch tools as you write, sketch, and draw. Usually it's default to eraser. Easily captures screenshots. Whoops. Swipe your Apple Pencil Pro from the bottom left corner of your iPad to take a screenshot. Phew, phew. Try squeeze. Hold over the screen. I know what my charge is on this. Hover over the screen. Squeeze. There it is. There it is. Ah, made a drawing. Squeeze. There's more. No. Squeeze and get more. You're supposed to get more. There they are. There's a highlighter. Cool, cool, cool. And you can see when you hold the pencil over, you can actually see it. And that's your highlighter, and you can see the stroke. You turn it, and your highlighter's thin. Cool, cool, cool. There's the eraser and the size of the eraser. Tap, tap. I felt it. Let's see if I can figure this out. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Let's see if I can get back to my tools. There's that. Tap, tap. There's the eraser. And back to eraser. Continue. Okay. Add to Find My. This will allow you to find your pencil when it falls off on a map and find it whenever it's lost. Add pencil. Very cool. Okay. Alrighty, art. Procreate. $12.99, I believe, still the price. These came with it, except this funny looking guy. Roll. Who is this funny looking guy? Squeezing. Size. Down. Color. Brush. Oils. Opacity. Yeah, I want it nice and thick. It's an oil. Size. That's for the finger. Should be. Charcoal. Oh. They got it in gray. Not sure what I'm doing. Gallery. Use color balances. Procreate has all the great tools. Add it to your list. You got to have it. Freehand, automatic. Got it. That's the eraser. Basic forest. Layer 1, background color. Let's change the color. There we go. Still trying to figure it out.